The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the world's most iconic structures. The tower started to lean during construction because its foundation was built on soft ground that could not support its weight. To this day, contractors and designers still struggle to build and perfect deep foundations. My name is Victoria Rotberg from the Pile Drivers Group, also known as PDG, and I'm here to tell you how our new helical pile deep foundations will completely replace standard driven pile foundations, which have been in use since the 1970s, due to their ease of manufacturing. Our design uses a new type of anchor, steel helical piles, similar to a screw, but with only 2 or 3 threads, large distributed. By using these piles on the Southern Reinforcement Project, for example, PSE&G saved approximately $24,000 per electrical tower, made up from labor, equipment, and materials. Helical piles can sustain 35% more loading than driven piles due to their extra surface area and less invasive installation. They can also be used in troublesome areas like sand, swamps, and clays, which would otherwise be compromised by driving pile vibrations. Approximately 30% of the United States is made up of this type of soil, and an even larger area with a combination of the three. 3 helical piles can be installed in the same amount of time that it takes to install a single driven pile. And they can also be installed in sections, using only an excavator with a motor, making low overhead clearances or tight work areas irrelevant. Driving pile installations is loud and can be heard 150 feet further away than our helical pile installations, which also creates no ground vibrations, making them ideal for residential areas. Future contracts can expect similar savings due to PDG's streamlined design process, which are easily adapted to any project parameters. Helical pile foundations are also multifunctional and can be used for any type of structure, including house jacking, bridges, and shoring. With PDG's new helical pile deep foundations, clients will have a faster date to occupancy. Thank you.
Matt?
Regarding the economics of this, where would these be manufactured to allow for such a cost savings?
Where would they be manufactured? Any kind of steel mill can manufacture these piles. It does not require any different kind of advanced technologies that we don't already have.
Darren?
What's the current intellectual property situation? Did you investigate that? The trademarks or, patents that might exist in this space?
Helical piles have been used for a very long time. They actually had been started using in about the mid-1800s, actually, for lighthouses. However, I don't think any patents exist now.
All right. Rating on presentation. And the rating on the project itself. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.